Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear. The best thinking has been done in solitude. Thomas Edison. Action. Carve out alone time in your day for deep thinking and reflecting. This is where you can gain insights, ideas, and epiphanies. Which item has our quotes today? Let's try the rainbow. A child can ask questions that a wise man cannot answer. Most of the shadows of this life are caused by our standing in our own sunshine. If you surrender to the wind, you can ride it. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act, but an habit. What do you think? Every strike brings me closer to the next home run. Babe Ruth. And the last one today. Don't ever take a fence down until you know why it was put up. Robert Frost. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick one of these cards. I am proud of who I've become. Which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do blue. Be an energy converter. Whatever comes your way, convert it into what you want it to become. Everything is how you respond to it, not how it actually has to be. One of the most expensive things you could ever do is pay attention to the wrong people. Forget settling down. I want a love where we can act like unhinged weirdos together. You're 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. Do you agree? Like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. And the last one today. Unlearning is of the same importance as learning, because to unlearn something is to be conscious of what we have learned and our ability to change it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick an animal card and see what we get today. Eagle, mastery. You are on a spiritual journey beyond the sky. Let go of the past and soar. You are guided by the winds of spirit. Your wisdom inspires the world. All right, which item has our quotes today? Do what you love. Do what you're good at. Do what the world needs that you can offer. Do what you can be paid for. If you tend to over-explain yourself, practice the one-line rule. Keep your answers to one line. This could be awkward at first, but keep trying it. Your impulse will be to keep talking. Don't. The more you practice this, the more confident you'll become. When you look back on these past 3 years, what have you learned? How have you grown? What new things have you learned over these past years? How has the past 3 years changed you and those around you? Oversharing is how you leak energy. Privacy is protection. The less you reveal, the more people can wonder. Destruction has noise, but creation is silent. Grow silently. Live peacefully. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.